Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got part 2 of the Pastry Shop Block of the Month Christmas Stitch Month 8. Month 9 is going to come out here, I believe, next week sometime. And the only thing we'll have left to do is put on the borders. So I'm really excited, or the outside border I should say. So I'm really excited about that. We're almost done with this quilt, just in time for Christmas. Hopefully we'll have time to get it quilted and bound and we can use it or give it as a gift or something like that. So I'm going to show you what I did, and then stay tuned afterwards and we'll talk about what comes next after we finish the quilt. So here is my quilt. Here are all those little, thread, 36 little cornerstone blocks that we had to make. And so what I did is I put the sashing, the 4.5 by 10.5 inch sashing in between each of these blocks, and I did them vertically instead of horizontally. And I know that seems a little weird, but I've had people say to me in the past, how do you get your blocks to line up this direction perfectly? Because they'll put their row together and then they'll put the next row and they don't line up top to bottom. So I actually started doing my sashing vertically first. Then I went back and put the sashing with the little mini blocks together, and then I added those in between also vertically. That just keeps your rows lined up from one to the next really, really nicely. So that's what I did. So everything's all put together. After you've gotten all these little ones done, you just have to put these sashing pieces. And then on the sides and the top and bottom, you've got a little thin 1.5 inch border. And I just realized looking at this that I didn't put my top and my bottom one. I just put the left and right, so I need to go back and do that. And then this next week when we get our next set of instructions, there's going to be one more outer border that I believe is going to be made with a charm pack from this line. So we're going to have a border made out of little squares, I believe, is what it looks like from the picture. That's what I'm imagining. So that should be coming really soon, and then we will be done with this. Now, my design board, I don't know how big this quilt is. I should have measured it, but it does not even fit on my design board. It's actually extended past on both sides. So this is a really good size quilt. And the Christmas tree up here is near the top, but not completely the top. And then you guys can't even see like the bottom rows. So this is a really, really good size quilt. It's going to look beautiful on your bed for Christmas. I'm really excited to get this done, quilted, and finished. And then don't forget, we have 2 more projects to do from Pastry Shop with this whole block of the month. Okay, so I hope you liked that little quick peek at my quilt, and I talked a little bit about how I constructed it. So when the next set of instructions come out in the next week, we'll get together and we'll put on the outside border and then finish this quilt. After that is done, sometime during the month of December, we have 2 more projects that we have to go along with this. We have a table runner made with the leftover fabrics and the charm packs, the extra charm packs that we're going to have to make that. And we also are going to have a mini charm bag, which I'm really excited to make that. I love making little mini charm bags. So sometime during the month of December, I'll be doing that. For creators on YouTube, we have something called Vlogmas going on in December where we make a video each day. Most of them are short, but somehow I'll figure out how to film those 2 projects and put them in those videos. It's going to be random, so if you want to see them, you'll have to figure out which day it is, and I'll try to put it in the announcement line so you know. But sometime during the month of December, I'll get those out as well. I'm, like I said, really excited to make the little bag. Most of you have done table runners and probably can do that on your own, but I'll try to fit that in too, but definitely I'll get the bag done. Okay, well, I will see you here in the next week when the next set of instructions come out, and we'll get this quilt finished. Thanks for watching and for following along, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.